Welcome friends, in this video we shall talk about hypertension mudra, a hand pose which helps cure hypertension, which is also known as high blood pressure. But before we proceed ahead, friends, please subscribe to our channel, share and like all our videos. Hypertension mudra or a hand pose yoga which helps cure the hypertension is shown here in this picture, like here. This mudra or hand pose is formed by the interlocking of fingers of both the hands such that the right hand is inside the left hand, and then placing the right hand's thumb at the base of the left hand's index finger and taking out the right hand's index finger out of the interlock and stretching it straight upright, and finally placing the left hand's thumb over the right hand's thumb. By doing this, we form this mudra which is shown here in this picture as well. The hypertension is also called as high blood pressure, and this mudra is very effective in controlling this hypertension condition. This mudra is very effective in controlling the hypertension. This is very effective in quickly normalizing the blood pressure. Now I'll give you a very quick and effective tip related to high blood pressure and some other common disorders. To fix the high blood pressure, hyperacidity, skin diseases, cancer, etc., keep your right nostril closed for 15 to 30 minutes at a time per day. To fix the low blood pressure, asthma, colds, pneumonia, etc., keep your left nostril closed for 15 to 30 minutes at a time. Note that in addition to hypertension mudra that we just described in this video so far, there are other mudras which can benefit you in normalizing your blood pressure. These mudras are Gyan mudra and Vyan mudra. Now we shall talk about these two mudras which are very effective in normalizing your blood pressure in the video. We shall talk about Gyan mudra. This Gyan mudra is formed by joining the tip of the index finger with the tip of the thumb, and you keep all the other three fingers straight and upright, just like shown in this picture. This mudra is also known as Saraswati mudra. This mudra is preferably done along with the Padma Asana, and when you do Padmasana, keep the back of your hand on your knees and open up the face of your palm towards the sky. God Krishna used this mudra while giving Gita discourse to Arjun. This is the best mudra for meditation also. Benefits of Gyan mudra. First of all, this mudra energizes your brain. It increases mental focus. That's why it is used when you are doing meditation. It also boosts your memory. This mudra increases your IQ level and increases your intuition. This mudra reduces anger, reduces tension and the stress. This mudra helps in heart diseases, depression, headaches, migraines, diabetes, insomnia, toothaches, epilepsy, dementia, Alzheimer's disease and others. This mudra improves the glow on your face and improves your good looks. It reduces addiction of alcohol and smoking and some other addictions as well. This mudra reduces hyperactivity in children as well. For better effect in headaches, you can do Gyan mudra along with another mudra called as Pran mudra. Preferably do this Gyan mudra with empty stomach. If you are doing this mudra while sitting on a chair, do not dangle your legs. This mudra is generally done along with Padmasana or Vajrasana. Do this mudra for 45 minutes a day. If you can't do it for 45 minutes at a stretch, do it for 15 minutes each for 3 times a day. Vyan mudra. This mudra is formed by joining together the tips of the thumb, the middle finger and the index finger and keeping the other 2 fingers upright as shown in the picture here. This mudra signifies the union of fire, space and air elements. This mudra is made up of Akash mudra and Gyan mudra. Therefore, it provides the benefits of both these mudras in one single Vyan mudra. This mudra should be done 30 minutes twice a day. Vyan mudra. This mudra strengthens lungs and heart. It cures high blood pressure and low blood pressure. It cures heart diseases. It improves blood circulation to all parts of the body. It cures drowsiness, fatigue, laziness and excessive sleep. Those who cannot tolerate excessive heat or suffer from sunstroke can benefit greatly by this mudra. This mudra controls excessive thirst, sweating and urination. It brings mental stability and provides enthusiasm. It improves self-esteem. It cures excessive sweating, loose motions and menorrhagia.